Yo, what's going on, traders? Hope you're all having a great time. It's Rafael back at the charts again, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to make 160,000 in 40 minutes yesterday on NASDAQ. And I shared this trade for free in my Telegram channel, so if you're not inside my free Telegram channel, make sure to check the link down below. Join the free Telegram channel. And if you're looking for strategy, if you need help, if you are not profitable yet, if you're looking for advice, you can always drop me a private message in Telegram. I will get back to you as soon as I have time. So check the links down below, hit me up if you need some help. And yeah, I'm going to show you exactly why I took the trade today. I was recording this one live as well, so we can take a look how I was managing that trade. So basically I took this buy in here. Why I took this buy, guys, first of all, look at the structure. We had the bullish structure in here, right? So buyers had their stop below here. After this push, we had stops below here. We had buyers stops below here, stops below here, and of course some breakout artists, they're going short around these zones. So I was waiting for the market at around 9:30 when it opens to slash through all of them, make business, get a lot of selling pressure into the market. And then I was looking for signs of reversal on the smaller time frames, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute chart. And I was basically looking for reversal. Yeah, so I was looking out for a break of structure that we can see in here. We broke the structure to the upside in here, and then on the pullback I was getting in with my first position. As it was moving a little bit further down, I was taking another one to load it up, and yeah, took first profits around this high in here, because within that zone there's a high probability that this thing will turn around again. Yeah, because yeah, we have like big selling pressure in here. Like, we don't know, maybe it wants to continue to go down. So above this high there is a potential that this thing will turn around. So this is where I took my first profits, and I like to take first profits around the first easiest targets, to pay myself, to take risk off the table. And because you're not always going to get your home run that you are looking for, that's why we need to take profits a little bit earlier on the first easiest targets, because this is the one where the probability that it will get hit is pretty big. So as I said, I recorded that session, so let's look into it, guys. As you can see, the market was coming down, broke the structure in here. On the pullback I was starting to load it up in here, so I took my first entries, and as the market continued to go down, I was taking another one. I loaded it up, and then around at the last high, at this high in here, I was thinking about taking this loaded up position off the table at around, this is like a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. So let's see how I did it, guys. Market was fucking around a little bit down there, but then finally we got some movement to the upside, as you can see. And this was the moment when I was like, yes, payday, man, let's get it. So market was pushing, and this was the moment when I took my first position off the table. As you can see, the lowest position is not in there. And then I was waiting for the market to get into that last push to the upside, because this is a potential zone of a reversal. So as soon as it touched this area, I want to take some profits off the table as well. And as you can see, as we hit that zone, I was starting to take positions off the table, so 75% off the table. And then I was letting the rest run without risk at all. I moved my stop to break even and just waited it out. Unfortunately, I was closing that video in here because I was I grabbed some food, shut down my laptop, and was just waiting for that thing to play out. But as you can see in here, the market turned around, hit my stop at around break even, and I was not able to take some more profits on that one, which is okay. Let me show real quick. We have some running in here that I've shared with the inner circle of our team, with all my masterclass students, and it's just about to hit the first target. Boom! That was a good one, baby. How much we have in here? 180 grand already secured. Beautiful. So let's move stop to break even. I'm not willing to take any more risk in here. And let's see if we can get a little bit more down, or if we turn around in here. If we get a little bit more down, I'm going to bank another 160,000. That would be beautiful. What a nice start in the week, man. 100% accuracy. This is my second trade. I mean, this one is, I didn't share this one for free in my Telegram channel, but share this one with all my students, because I share all the trades that I take with all my students. And yeah, let's see how this one is going to play out. Looks pretty beautiful right now, man. It keeps pushing down. That looks good, man. So we already banked 200. Overall, we had 300 in the market. I'm going to close another 40 lots in here, and I'll let like 20%. Let another 20% run for lower targets, for the ultimate target in here. So right now I'm up like 225,000, which is around 3%. Let's see if we can get another 100k down here. Yeah, looking good so far. Let's see, guys, I will keep you updated about that trade. If you're looking for a broker, guys, the one that I'm using right now, as you can see on the top left, is Hankotrade. This is a broker that I'm using at the moment. They're pretty quick with withdrawals and deposits. You can use cryptos, and yeah, I like their broker. So yeah, if you're looking for a broker like that, like, just take it and yeah, ride with them. And that's it for today, guys. Maybe I'm going to drop another one later, talk about that trade. I don't know yet. Anyways, make sure to just hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Stay healthy, wish you a profitable week, and peace out. Play me blue.